A business is migrating its Linux-based web application cluster to AWS. These instances must be able to read and write to a common shared file repository for their content. It is a strict requirement that no alterations be made to the application logic. Which solution should a solutions architect implement to fulfill these criteria?
Option A. Provision an Amazon S3 bucket to provide the necessary file access for the web servers. Option B. Set up an Amazon CloudFront distribution with an Amazon S3 bucket as its backend origin. Option C. Deploy an Amazon Elastic file system and mount it on every web server. Option D. Provision a general-purpose SSD, or GP3, Amazon Elastic Block Store volume and mount it to every web server.
This scenario is focused on finding a storage solution that supports shared access across multiple instances while maintaining the existing application behavior. The core challenge is integrating a storage mechanism that Linux instances can treat as a standard local directory structure without needing to rewrite any of the application code to account for cloud-native storage interfaces.
I believe the correct answer is option C, which is to deploy an Amazon Elastic File System, or EFS, and mount it on every web server. EFS is ideal here because it provides a fully managed, POSIX-compliant network file system. Because it uses standard NFS protocols, your existing Linux application can interact with the shared storage using native directory paths, which ensures that no changes to your application code are required to support the migration.
Regarding the other options, option A is incorrect because S3 is object storage. To use it, you would need to implement the AWS SDK or third-party utilities, which would violate the constraint against modifying application logic. Option B is a content delivery network and does not provide a shared file system. Option D is incorrect because standard Elastic Block Store volumes are designed to be attached to only a single instance at a time, making them unsuitable for shared storage.
As an exam tip, keep in mind that whenever you see a requirement for shared POSIX-compliant storage on Linux, EFS is almost certainly the right tool. Conversely, remember that EBS is primarily for single-instance block storage, and S3 is meant for object storage, which manages data differently than a traditional file system.